Now, tsaka lakas ng earthquake doon, 7.5. Pumapasok doon yung mga reports na kita namin, daming devastation. So sabi namin na suspend na muna dahil wala rin naman yung bodyguards. Pero marami naman na pag-usapan yan, especially from the agencies. So, ang plano namin is nag-aayos kami ng grupo para magdala ng tulong sa Mindanao. Hopefully tomorrow, pero sarado raw yung airport baka the following day.
Sa reaction po dun sa statement ng Marines, ex-Marines, ex-former soldiers for Senator Erwin to inhibit sa Blue Ribbon Committee.
Sa pagpe-preside daw sila.
Opo.
Well, yung kanilang statement came from a time na hindi naman official yung gathering nila. So, sana kung dito nila ginawa yan, meron silang ganung pahiya, then it's official.
So sir, walang merits, walang bearing kahit sinabi nila na pababa na sana sila after the press con.
Andito na sila sana pumunta na lang sila dito. Why all the drama of pupunta pa doon, may press con, nandito na sila. This is the best venue to tell the truth. Sabi ko nga, kung ang puso mo, malinis ang konsensya na magsabi ng totoo, pumunta ka dito. Kahit na i-contempt ka, kahit na duru-duruin ka, sabi ka lang ng totoo.
Sir, hindi nagpasabi.
Yun ang nakakadismaya dahil nandito na sila sa building.
Sen, do you think they're afraid to face your camp, your block?
I don't know. It's nandito na kasi sa building 5th floor, 2nd floor to, konting hakbang na lang. Nandito na sila. So, why all the trouble of my press con and everything? This is the best press con. Nandito kayo lahat Okay guys?
Sen, kumusta yung preparations?
I-invite pa sila sa next? I-invite pa rin sila
Yes,
sa
they will
next
be
hearing?
invited.
Sen, preparations lang.
Senator Alan.
Invited sila sa next.
Sen, kamusta preparations lang sa impeachment pre-trial?
Open to talk to
Impeachment
everyone.
pre-trials, Sen, kamusta lang po?
I'll do some work first, David.
Thank you.